Somebody mention birds? Thaibirdspot. Hi there birdies, and welcome back again to another little video today, and this time by request is the spotted dove. The spotted dove is probably the most common resident dove here and literally found across the entire country. And as always, well, this one was found in my garden. The spotted dove, as with many other doves and pigeons, feeds mainly on seeds and forages through vegetation on the ground. They're usually found singly or in pairs, but sometimes small groups if there's a good food site. Here we can see the bird taking a dust bath. So quite often when they're preening, they'll lay in the dust and spread their wings, also inviting ants to crawl amongst their feathers, removing any little insects or mites. So I came across this interesting information that pigeons and doves have some special feathers on their body which disintegrate for producing a kind of powder which they use for cleaning and to lubricate other feathers, as these species don't have well developed oil glands. Another particularity of these species is the pigeon milk. So this is a type of milk that's produced in the crop by special glands, secreting a thick milky substance during the nesting season. The chicks are fed with this crop milk, poking their bills into their parents' throats. Anyway, as I say, it's a very common bird, so you've probably all seen them. But as we always say, if you want to see the bird, learn the sound. Anyway, that's it for now. Another little video, just a short one on the spotted dove. Don't forget, if you like the video, please don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and all of that. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.